How many views does it take to make money on YouTube? This is a common question asked, and it really depends on who you ask. You may have heard that you make $1 per 1,000 views, or that it's $1,000 per million views. Some say it's $5 per 1,000 views. Well, we're asking the wrong question. We should be asking, how much engagement does it take to make money on YouTube? You don't make money based on the amount of views you have. You make money based on people's engagement with the ad. Engagement here means clicking or watching an ad for more than 30 seconds. YouTube advertising is managed in the AdWords platform. Advertisers choose ads on a cost per click, CPC, or cost per view, CPV, model. Types of ads. Cost per click, CPC. CPC is when an advertiser pays money based on clicks. So if a certain keyword has a CPC of $3 and someone clicks on that ad, it will charge that advertiser $3. These text ads pop up in the lower part of the screen during the video and can also show up as a square banner on the right side of your channel. Cost per view, CPV. CPV is when an advertiser pays money based on views. A view for the advertiser means someone watches an ad for at least 30 seconds or half of the ad, whichever comes first. That person could click that ad 50 times, but it still wouldn't charge the advertiser more because they're not paying for the click, they're paying for the view. Preview, pre-roll, in search and in display ads. Pre-roll ads are the ads that act as a preview before the video starts and viewers can skip it after 5 seconds. In search ads show up in the search results and are surrounded by a light yellow box. In display ads show up on the right side of YouTube in the suggested video area. There are also third-party pre-roll ads that force users to watch for a certain amount of time. Since these force don't apply to the majority, I'm leaving them out. Where attentions go, ads will flow. Advertisers only pay when someone clicks an ad or watches for 30 seconds. This is why you can't tie your channel views to dollars. If your video gets 10 million views but nobody watches or click the ads, you don't make any money. This is how I'm able to make $1 per 25 views. Advertisers pay big money to get their ad in front of specific and targeted audience. For example, if your YouTube channel happens to provide valuable video content for a very specific audience. Say the channel teaches business owners how to organize their finances, track their expenses and save money on taxes. Any company who is trying to reach business owners would love to place their ads on that channel because you would both share the same demographic. The people who view that channel are their potential customers. How to make more money on your YouTube channel. There are a couple of easy steps that you can implement right now that will make you more money per view. The first thing you need to do is 1. Learn how to make $1 a day on YouTube. Once you've learned how to make your first dollar, what's stopping you from making your next? 2. Take a sniper approach. Advertisers want targeted YouTube channels with a defined demographic. They'd much rather place their ads on a specific type of person than a random user. Think of this as a narrow sniper approach versus the wide spray of a shotgun. Make your videos with a specific type of person in mind. This is basic advertising 101, identifying your target demographic. Don't tell me that your demographics are 21 to 55-year-old women. This is the shotgun approach that's too general and vague. Do you talk to a 21-year-old girl the same way you'd talk to a 55-year-old lady? Of course not. Define your audience and create videos that's catered to them. 3. Target keywords with a high CPC. Understand this, certain keywords pay more than others. Advertisers will pay more for the keyword, home mortgage, CPC $17.63, than cheap phone cases, CPC $1.38, because the end return is a lot higher. If someone ends up closing on a home loan that could make them upwards of $5,000 plus, whereas the end return on a cheap phone case would only be $15. Would you rather get paid from a phone case video that gets a million views with a center of 0.01% or a home mortgage video that only gets 10,000 views with a center of 0.08%? Consider the scenarios below with the given keywords and their cost per clicks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, so hit that notification bell. Until next time.